Alright, we're going to start out by removing the stock horns here. So back here there is a 10 millimeter is what you'll use with a wrench to get this one off. Alright, now this should, let me pull this out here so we can see what we're doing. All we got to do is remove this little clip here. Pull that tab, remove your clip. And then for this one, we have two spade terminals, and obviously that's not going to work. Different size, different apparatus. So we're going to cut and then strip these back. There is no left or right to worry about. I do recommend getting yourself a couple of little female spade terminals. We can go ahead and attach to each of these wires, and then we will just pop them on each one of these, then put it right back in place, and then you'll have a nice loud air horn. So let's get started there. So we're going to go ahead and just get in here and separate these wires. Being careful to make sure we don't cut through the jacket anywhere. Go ahead and get these stripped. Alright, once we get our wire exposed, we're going to put these heat shrink terminals on here. It's a good idea to use something that'll be able to heat shrink down for waterproof. Alright, now that we've gotten this far, we're going to go ahead and turn our heat gun on. Alright, so fun fact, this will not fit through here like the stock horn did, so we are going to have to come to this side of the frame and pop these terminals back on. Get back up underneath here to our stock mounting point, and if you want to run a little, those blue connectors will be up front if you're particular about the way your bike looks, color and everything. You can run some black tape on these wires, however it's pretty well hidden, so we are going to just leave it as is. Put our washer back on, thread the nut back on by hand first before we put a wrench on anything, so we don't get anything cross-threaded. We are going to go ahead, and this will be the stock horn, and then we'll go back over the lift and we'll show you the new Screaming Banshee Mini. Again, this is going to be the stock horn here. Alright, now let's hear the horn that we just put on this new Chieftain here.